Many establishments offer free Wi-Fi for different reasons. Attracting new customers, keep them happy, and maybe because everyone else is doing it. But let's face it, free Wi-Fi sucks. Complicated passwords, slow connections, and worst of all, you get nothing in return. But all this is about to change with social powered Wi-Fi hotspots. It's still the free Wi-Fi your customers expect, but without the hassles and lack of results. It's now possible for customers to simply connect to your free Wi-Fi service using their favorite social media account. Once they've logged in with just a few clicks, you will be able to get their social media details, email addresses, and more, allowing you to build long-lasting and valuable relationships beyond a single visit. Now you can send your customers mobile coupons, exclusive offers, email newsletters, and timely promotions long after they have visited your store. Grow your business and keep your customers happy with the new magical way to offer free Wi-Fi. Contact us to get your own social-powered Wi-Fi hotspot today.